How's it going today? Welcome back to Rusty Garage. Today we got my 2002 Toyota Tacoma back on the channel. Old Yoda, as I like to call her. What we're going to be doing today is we're tearing off the old muffler on this thing. No, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just going to change it anyway. I went on the old Amazon jungle there and I found a cherry bomb. So we're going to bomb this thing. I've never had a cherry bomb on any vehicle that I've ever owned. So this should be quite interesting. The ad said, all the comments there said that this thing sounds like an old 1960s Mustang Rumble. Well, I find that hard to believe because I don't even know if it's a muffler. It looks more like a resonator to me. So yeah, this thing's gonna rumble, that's for sure. But anyway, I ordered it up. The exhaust system is 2 1/4 inches. So when I ordered this, I could only go smaller. So I think this is 2 and something. 2 and something. So I'm hoping it slides right on and we can just clamp it down. It is just a hair, if you can see that. It's like 2 3/8. So that should work out perfect. So that way we can slide it right inside. Now, yes, you usually want to go over top the existing exhaust, but we're going to go inside and we'll clamp this thing. So we got to get underneath the truck, see what we got to figure out here. We're going to have to cut it off unless somebody's already clamped this one on doing repairs sometime in the past. So let's get underneath the truck and find out. Underneath the trunk, you can see that the old fella did clamp on the muffler. Must have had some work done. He had to shorten it up some, he said. And anyway, you can see there is a tack weld right there. And the same on the other side. This here, that ain't doing nothing anyway. So we'll cut the weld and hopefully this thing will just pop right off and then we can go right from there. Now, I mean, take a look at underneath this truck. This is a 2002. I mean, look at the shape of it. Maybe in the States this ain't nothing, but I mean here in Nova Scotia, oh my lord, this thing is immaculate. The base of the box is in great shape. Got a good gas tank strap going there. That's factory. And yeah, I mean this thing is beautiful. I did notice just right now thing got a good oil leak. Yeah, might have to address that someday, but not today. Let's see if we can get this cut, slide this old muffler off, and get the cherry bomb on, because I'm excited to see how she sounds. So let's get after it. All right, well, remember when you're using your mini grinder, always safety first. So make sure you squint your eyes real tight. So I just ended up cutting her right around. That was the easiest thing to do. There's the tailpipe. All we got to do is have her get a release from that bushing up there, and she'll drop right out of here. A little bit of WD-40 is always good to grease those up a little bit. It's going to help tremendously to get that out of that hole there. A lot of times they're just stuck. And there it comes just like that. Easy as can be. Here it is out on the ground. This thing is quite rusty. There's an old pipe there. This thing is pretty much split. It's rusting out pretty good there. Not to say you can't use this. I mean, I was using it. It was fine. It wasn't that loud. I'm going to keep this just in case I don't like the cherry bomb. I can always weld this bad boy back on. Well, what do you know? That's gonna fit right over top. I just got to clean that up a little bit. That's not even how I ordered it. That's a smaller piece. It was just a piece put in here. So that's gonna be even better. I just got to take the mini grinder and clean the edges up, and that should slide right on perfectly. So that's good. Oh, perfect, baby. Give that a little twist action. Look at that. It looks so stupid. Look at it. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to tie it up somewheres. Maybe back here with some twine or something, and up on that cross member there. Because there's no way in the world that it'll ever reach that bushing back there. Oh, this is hilarious. Well, let's put it on anyway and see what it sounds like. I'm hoping I'm going to like it anyway. At least leave it on for a while. This is why I'm using the clamp and not just welding it on, because I may not like it. So this way, now when I go to put on the other muffler, if I ever choose to do so, I'm going to have to weld that, but that ain't no big deal. I'm going to need a deep socket. It is not tightening down very good. How tight is that? Not at all. Well, that's great. I might have to weld this baby on anyway. Yay. Love that for me. That won't fit on. There we go. I'll tell you one thing, you ain't tough until you weld it in a t-shirt. So let's fire this old baby up and see what she sounds like. I mean, listen to it. All right, let's take it down the road real quick, see what she sounds like shifting gears. Boom! Yeah, man. Like, it don't sound too bad. It sounds pretty good. So I'm actually think I'm gonna leave it on for a while. It's not too loud that it's gonna bother the neighbors. slap it neutral. I mean, it sounds pretty good, right? So there you have it. Now we got the cherry bomb on the old Toyota here, and it sounds pretty good. I mean, it sounds like she rips, but she really don't. This thing got no power. This thing is just sluggish, man. She's so old. This thing got over 500,000 kilometers, but she works great for me. So that cherry bomb, I got that off the Amazon. Like I said, that was $55 is all that was. It was a glass pack, cherry bomb, muffler, whatever it was. 55 bucks. I said, yep, let's slap it on and see what it sounds like. So it sounds pretty good. I'm going to leave it there for now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, it would really help me a lot if you guys hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you want to, and that would help a lot if you left a comment. So yeah, tune in next time because there's more videos coming with Toyota here. We got some Big Bear videos coming. We got some Suzuki videos coming. The ride-ons coming. I got trucks and cars, man, you name it. Stay tuned, follow along. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Peace.